everyone, I'm here to share with you some tips to prepare yourself for GCE O-level Science Biology paper for this year 2024. So what is my prediction? Okay, for bio paper, it is pretty straightforward. Okay, there are not many topics to be accessed in the combined science syllabus. So rest assured, whatever you study will be coming out. Okay, so there will be a total of 100 marks in the paper, 65 marks for the structured questions, 20 marks for MCQ, and 15 marks for practical. Okay, so for my video, I will just be focusing on what could be coming up for the theory and a bit on practical. Okay, let's start with the theory paper. Okay, every year without fail, we will have a data-based questions, or should I say a simple data analysis questions, where students are expected to either draw a graph or interpret results from the graph. Okay, so the relevant topics that you should focus on in plant nutrition and transport system. So every year this topic will be tested without fail. Okay, so either they will examine the various factors that affect the rate of transpiration, okay, or they will focus on the movement of carbon dioxide and oxygen gas in and out of the plant through the stomata. Okay, make sure you are very familiar with the labeled diagram of the plant. What is vascular bundle? Okay, how does the two vessels work? What do they transport? How transpiration pool works? What is wilting? Explain it, etc. Okay, so the entire topic on plant transport and nutrition is extremely important. It will be tested. Okay, the next one is a new topic that's tested this year and will 100% be tested. Just that I don't think the weightage will be a lot, but it is still not a topic to overlook. That is infectious diseases. So make sure you know the difference between virus and bacterial. How come antibiotics don't work on virus? Okay, go and find out why. Okay, find out the various form of transmission. Okay, how does one get contaminated? The difference between bacteria and virus basically. Okay, and they might just want to test you on something related to COVID-19 vaccine. You never know. Which is related to the next one, DNA. Okay, make sure you know that. Although I don't think there's a lot of marks given to it, since the topic is rather short in the syllabus. Do focus on heredity. Okay, how to draw the genetic diagram. Okay, it will be tested for sure. Then lastly, I will focus on transport in humans. Okay, know the transport system very well. Okay, I think this year they will focus on the heart, on the capillaries. I think on the diffusion of oxygen and CO2, a bit on the blood components also, I feel. Okay, so that is for theory paper. The rest of it you should still go and study, like respiration, cells, nutrition, enzyme. Okay, these are big topics lah, but I will just talk about those four just now. Okay, because those topics are new and not so easy to remember the detail. Of course, we have our digestive system will come out a few questions as well. So every topic that will few marks lah, either MCQ or structured. So there could be some topics that will not be tested at all also. Yeah, do pay attention to sexual reproduction also, menstrual cycle. Okay, then for practical, last year was a topic related to I think food nutrition. There's no biological diagram last year. So this year I predict there is a biological diagram, food test likely, and maybe heredity. I don't know. So but you must know the biological diagram very well. The magnification. Okay, that one confirm tested. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope this video served you well. All the best for preparation for O-level. Good luck. Bye-bye.